find remote jobs. Work from anywhere in the world. Doing a remote job or freelancing gives you a different perspective on life. Having the flexibility of working from home or anywhere you want has many benefits. Remote working saves lots of time and money on commuting. You can use that time and money to start your own business or diversify your source of income, and that enables you to create passive income or leave your job altogether. Whatever your motivation, trying new things in life is always good. More and more people want to work remotely or freelance, but not everyone knows where to find remote jobs. I prepared the list of 25 top websites for remote jobs. Whether you want to change position, career, or just a way of working, you should check it out because you will find something interesting. 1. Virtual Vocations. Virtual Vocations is a company that removes the headache of finding work by bringing you hand-screened remote job leads with actual pay for real jobs. They have a vast range of positions, from account management to writing. All the job openings offer some form of remote or virtual work. 2. Pangian. Pangian offers much more than some of the top jobs with reputable companies. They also have an outstanding community and even provide resources. So the website is a one-for-all stop. It gives excellent jobs, community, free remote work training, and blogs. 3. ARC. ARC is created for remote junior developer jobs and internships. Find your next career move with our remote developer job board. They have over 1,500 companies recruiting right now, so you don't have to go anywhere else. 4. Remote. Remote is a new company founded in 2019 to simplify how businesses employ global talent. They're on an adventure-filled mission to make work available for everyone across countries and industries through their seamless platform. They have awe-inspiring features on the website. 5. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is one of the most established companies on the market. They offer all sorts of jobs, including remote. Because of their reputation, they work with some of the top companies offering a variety of positions. They also have excellent support and training. 6. Just Remote. Just Remote's website is dedicated to finding remote jobs. Its mission is to help you find work that you love and enable you to do it daily from anywhere. The website looks super simple but provides so much information and features. 7. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is a remote work community that has been the #1 destination for job seekers and companies. With more than 3 million visitors per month, it's no surprise this site became what it does, helping people find excellent opportunities to collaborate from home. 8. Remotive. Remotive is where top talent easily accesses active and fully telecommuting opportunities from vetted tech companies. The website is straightforward to navigate and has so many options. They created a fantastic community, blog, and many resources. 9. Skip the Drive. Job seekers are always looking for ways to make their lives easier. Skip the Drive simplifies the job search process and provides pre-filtered listings that allow you work from home opportunities. There is no registration required, and the service is free. 10. Remote OK. Remote OK offers such an extensive choice of different jobs worldwide. You can choose the job by category, country, or demographic group. Also, there are many recognized global companies to work for. 11. Working Nomads. Working Nomads is a site that features the most interesting remote job offers in many professional career areas. Working Nomad connects professionals who want to work remotely with innovative companies offering independent positions and has helped hundreds find their dream position. 12. Jobspresso. Jobspresso is the best place to find high-quality remote jobs in tech, marketing, and customer support. 100% of our listings are hand-picked by expert professionals who have weeks or even months worth of experience with various companies, and they're all fully manual reviewed too. 13. Outsourcely. Thousands of startups are looking to fill long-term remote positions. Some require you to be in a specific city, while others have no location requirements. Find them on the Outsourcely website. It's exciting if your job involves working remotely because there is so much demand for talent across industries. It will make things more attractive than ever. 14. Power to Fly. Power to Fly is a female-led organization that strives to create diverse, inclusive workplaces. They connect underrepresented talent with prominent companies' decision-makers through their daily mission of upskilling and connecting at events online and on locations across America. 15. Landing Jobs. Landing Jobs offers solutions to tech talent worldwide. The team provides support with any work you prefer, from the office, remotely, or hybrid. They will help you out with any relocation and visa support. The website provides different resources, blogs, and events for additional support. 16. Authentic Jobs. Authentic Jobs is catered to creatives. When looking for jobs as a designer, developer, or creative professional, the first place to go is often this site, so if you're a creative and looking for an exciting position, you have to check it out. 17. Dribbble. Dribbble is the heart of a design community, and it's where designers connect. It has become an essential tool in today's market to discover new talent and keep up to date on what jobs are available worldwide. 18. AngelList. Talent. The Startup community is a unique and thriving environment for finding remote or local tech talent. Join Angel List Talent to make your new company stand out in this competitive market. 19. Career Vault. Career Vault offers remote work in any country and continent. They post hundreds of new offers in different fields every day. Thanks to filters, you will see only active offers. 20. Toptal. The demand for top quality talent is at an all-time high, and Toptal has established itself as the go-to place to find that perfect candidate. They cater primarily to designers, developers, and financial and AWS experts. Their reputation secured many influential companies collaborating with them. 21. Freelancer. Freelancer.com is the most significant freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace in this global market that has grown exponentially over recent years to connect 61 million employers across all disciplines from around 247 countries, regions, or territories worldwide. 22. Freelancer Map. Freelancer Map is another useful website for freelancers. But it doesn't just deliver only worldwide offers but also support and blog. You can browse many of the latest projects and find the one designed for you. 23. The Muse. Helping the future workforce research companies and careers, The Muse is a go-to destination for professionals looking to win in their professional lives. More than 75 million people each year trust us to help them succeed at work by building skills or finding employment. They also offer insights into company culture and employee stories that paint an accurate picture of what it's like working there. 24. Career Builder. Career Builder has the most advanced and innovative platform for hiring. They use data-driven technology, like personalized tools, to help match employers with great candidates based on individual wants or needs. Our goal is for everyone who visits us to find their version of success. 25. Idealist. Idealist is a non-profit organization that works to create an equal, just world for all of us. They started as one person with big dreams, and now they inspire others everywhere to imagine what could be if we work together. Do you know any websites that offer remote jobs? Discover more stories and support Medium writers and me by joining here. For only $5 a month,